I have 2 years worth of statistical data on Eurodollar, and I used that to build a strategy that I'm going to show to you today. So you can copy this Eurodollar strategy in less than 1 minute that's backed by stats. Now I do have a full 2-page document full of different stats for Eurodollar. You can get that with the link in my bio. So the first thing we want to do is identify the trend on the H1. And I do this by using a 200 moving average. So we can see prices above our 200 moving average here, indicating that we should only be looking to buy. So something I found out is 81% of the time London breaks the Asia range. However, 47.5% of those times it was a fake out. So this gives us two things. We can either look for breaks and continuations, or we can look to trade those reversals. Okay, so London is failing to break below the Asia range here, so I'm going to go ahead and take a long position with a stop loss just below the Asia range and a take profit back at the London highs. And this will be a 1 to 2. So the strategy has many different stats behind it, and you can use a confluence of your own things. Now, of course, I'm using replay mode here to try and show you the idea behind it. Now, there are more stats here for New York session that we can use. So New York breaks London highs 62.2% of the time, and it will break the low 57% of the time. So we're looking to repeat the strategy that we saw in London, either trading breakouts or trading reversals. Now, in this case, we have continued to respect the low of Asia, so I'm going to go ahead again and take into account that idea. I'm going to go in for another 1 to 2. If this hits, we'll be up almost 5% on the day. So stop loss below the Asia lows, take profit just above these London highs. So let's see how this plays out. There we go. Take profit hit. Now, of course, I've simplified this quite a lot. You would need to include your own confluences, your own signals, your own ideas, but you can take the stats that I've given you in this video and apply them yourself. Disclaimer, this won't work every session. Nothing works all the time. However, these stats are based off 2 years of data that I dug out myself. And if you do want the full PDF of these stats and probabilities, you can click the link in my bio.